Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I've written a new book. I want to make it easier for you guys to cook Indian food. I want to get you cooking everyday meals quicker, and today is the first day of my book shoot. I've written the recipes, I've tested them, and now from today onwards we're going to start shooting. Obviously, I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go to London to one of the studios where we are shooting this book. Let's go. So I have arrived at this studio, and I've not been to the studio before. The whole team is here. I will introduce you to all of them because creating the recipes from the start till getting here, I am on my own in the kitchen for months working on it. And at this point, when the recipes are all ready and they're tested, then to put the book together, the photography is a whole team. And I would love you to meet the team behind this book. But before I introduce you to the team, I'm just going to show you around what's happening in the kitchen right now with all the prep. The shot is getting ready. There are all the props, the boards, the plates, all the props that we need for the book, some fabrics, and then here's the cooking going on for the next dish. So just taking a lunch break, let me show you. So all the stuff that we shot right now, that's the papri, asparagus sabji, dal, some salads we ordered, the mango salad and the fish. This is all we've shot so far and it looks amazing. That's going to be the team's lunch. So that's day one done, wrapped up. We managed to shoot 11 shots. It was fantastic. Now the same journey back tomorrow, early morning into London, and all day shoot. Very exciting. This is the most exciting part, when the recipes start to take shape and I can picture them in a book. Day two in the studio. I'm heading there with my coffee, and I'm looking forward to seeing what we're gonna be cooking for the shots today. Hopefully another 10 will be shot, and yeah, I am loving the team. Quite a few of them are the same people who I work with for every book, so it's quite a fantastic atmosphere. And let's go in. So today we are doing all the spice blends that are going to be in the book. So they're all been made, and that's what is being shot right now. It's taking a long time to set this up because it's a very crucial shot. Right, that's day two of lunch scenes. Stuff that's shot for the book, some salads. Looks amazing.
Amazing.
It's day four, and I'm now heading back to the studio. Yesterday was fantastic, got some great shots. Oh wait, it's day three. Oh my god, it seems so long because it's 4 hours commute every day for me, so I'm getting a little bit tired. If it was closer, it would make so much of a difference, but never mind. I don't want to miss out on any single shot, so I'm here every morning and finish when the day ends. So yeah, let's see what is in store for us today. So it's been a busy day. We've shot lots of delicious recipes, like I've showed you the glimpses, and now we're going to sit down for a lovely lunch like every day. So almost end of day 3 and it's all coming together. This is how we start. Put the layouts on the wall, and then as the pictures get clicked, we do a little printout and they're stuck, so you can see where the recipes are going to go, which chapter where. So we have a nice range. We're going to be shooting all of these in the next few days. So far it's looking absolutely stunning. Tried to do some things very slightly different to my other books with photography. So yeah, hope you're going to love it all.
Oh, my hand's in it.
Okay, day 4, here I come. Already looking a bit tired. Excited for today. We've got some special recipes that we have planned to shot today, so it's going to be a fantastic day. I think I'm going to start the day by making some chai for the whole team and take it from there. Okay, so we've shot some really lovely photos today, and now we're sitting down for a lovely lunch outside. Let me show you what we have today.
Martini, yeah, me and Sophie have just really got into martini. Oh, and leeks.
All right, a new week, day 5 of the book shoot. I'm here with my coffee and a pan because we're trying to shoot something and that pan wasn't working, and you know, at shoots you don't have everything in the kitchen that you can have. So yeah, I got my pan from home and I'm super excited. Another exciting shoot day ahead, and of course I will share some glimpses with you and try and record some glimpses for you. So the day has gone really well so far. That's the team behind. We've shot lots of lovely things, from dal to chicken, rice, and I've just made some dosas for the book as well. So yeah, it's time to eat. I'll show you. We are going to sit outside like always, but it might rain, so we're going to serve inside. Let me show you what we have for lunch today. Day 6. I'm back at the studio, back in London, and we've actually just started setting the first shot of the day, which is a nice little sweet to start the day. But yeah, I can actually see I am starting to look really tired in the video, but it's another exciting day at the shoot. Dals, rice, laddu, fish, salad, your work. It's day 7 and it's the last day. You can tell by the smile on your face. I am so glad we got here. Got some insane shots. Tried to do something different from the previous books and kind of kept it clean, just the food. And yeah, got my coffee for the last day morning. Very excited. Got some last amazing shots planned. And yeah, I think it's been incredible. I'm very lucky to have such a creative, fantastic, amazing, hardworking team. We've had some of the best shoot lunches we've ever had. We have great shoot lunches whenever we're doing the book, but this year, this book, it's been insane. And you've seen what we've been eating for lunch. Such good food, such good recipes. Hopefully you'll be trying loads of those recipes from the book as the book comes out. Yeah, I can smell something already. I'm at the studio. Let's go in and find out. Okay, so this is Nasima, who is very camera shy, but she has taken all the pictures of my books and I can't wait for everyone to see this one. Yeah, very, very soon. And this is Lauren.
Hello.
And Lauren does all the prop styling. And
Bit of a mess at the minute.
have you done last 2 books? I think, isn't it?
Yeah, well, 3. This is
3.
the third, yeah.
Ah, so she's done last 3 of the books, and she's got a lovely palette of colors here. A mix of everything. And here is Evil, who is assisting Nasima in this shoot and doing a fantastic job. And she could be a next super hand model because she's got stunning, beautiful hands. And here is Maddie. Maddie and I am working for the first time together, isn't it?
Yeah, so lovely.
And it has been so wonderful. I know this is not a recipe, she's making us lunch, but she's done an amazing job. Look at this, all the stuff here. She is a food stylist on this book shoot, and that's Sadie, who is assisting Maddie in cooking all the delicious recipes right here. Oh no, there's tomatoes. There they are. We're just getting ready for lunch. And here is Leanne, who actually works with Octopus and has designed all the books. Edited, sorry. The brain behind all the layouts and all the... keeping me on track. Okay, so today's lunch scenes, all the stuff that we shot from the book is now here, including. So it's time to start packing up. That is all the props going in the bags, the photographer stuff is going, and they're just setting up for the very last shot of the book, which is a bit bittersweet because I am so happy it's finished, it's done, but at the same time, yeah, I'm gonna miss this. Yeah, just all the packing up, kitchen being tidied, all the ingredients going in. That's how the layout is looking with all the pictures so far. Look at that. Stunning! Look at all that food, guys. Oh, can't wait for you guys to be able to make recipes from here. Looks insane. So good. And I know she's very respected and I respect her too. Okay, so book shoot done. I thought I will share a few thoughts while I'm at the station going back home with another coffee. It's quite funny because doing the shoot part of the book is actually the fun part, because developing the book, writing recipes, testing, it's such hard work, and I'm doing it alone in my kitchen with no company, and I'm thinking with my thoughts and cancelling, adding recipes, trying recipes, then add, lots of to and fro, lots of hard work, months of it goes into it. And then comes the book shoot, and we've got a photographer, her assistant, we've got food stylist who cooks and kind of gets everything ready for the shots, her assistant, people from the publishing team. And it's such a fun 7, sometimes 8. We've even shot for 9 days for previous books. Such a fun time, and it goes so quick because the days are packed with shots. But I'm so happy because it went really well. We got everything we needed, and now we wait for the design team to put the shots together. Then I'm going to go through the recipes again. I will share a bit of that in the video and hope you guys will enjoy that part as well. That's the most boring part, actually, going through the edits. For me, that's the most boring part, yeah. But yeah, exciting times ahead.